The first step in protecting the team is identifying the sources of distraction. These can come from both internal and external sources, such as email notifications, unnecessary meetings, or even team members who are not focused on the task at hand. As a Scrum Master, it's important to keep a close eye on the team and be alert to any signs of distraction. Once you've identified the sources of distraction, the next step is to minimize them. One way to do this is to set clear expectations for the team, such as turning off email notifications during sprints or establishing a do not disturb policy during specific focus hours. Another approach is to provide the team with the tools they need to stay focused, such as noise-canceling headphones or maybe even standing desks. Standing desks are like a superhero suit for productivity. Another common source of distraction is interruptions, such as unexpected visits from managers or customer calls. As a Scrum Master, it's important to be aware of the team's schedule and to anticipate any potential interruptions. You can also set up clear protocols for handling interruptions, such as directing visitors to the Scrum Master or establishing a process for dealing with inbound requests. Like a bouncer at an inclusive club, you'll keep the unimportant out. Protecting the team from distractions and interruptions is an ongoing process that requires constant attention and adaptation. As a Scrum Master, your role is to be the advocate for the team and help create an environment that promotes focus and concentration.